Let's define all types of 4-axis kinematics. Actually, there is almost nothing special about defining a 4-axis CNC. It is very similar to 5-axis. I will start with horizontal, rotary table type. A CNC with B-axis is created as default. This is the most common configuration in the market. The only thing that is different from 5-axis machines is this parameter. Rotary axis follows shortest path. As you will remember, this parameter is also available in 5-axis kinematics. However, it is located in Special 5-axis parameters section. This parameter is active only for 4-axis CNCs with rotary tables. It is deactivated for rotary heads, since rotary heads do not have full rotation capability. In order to learn how to use this parameter, you can watch 5-axis special parameters video. You can also change the rotary axis to A if you want. Although this is not a common machine type, you can easily define a post processor for such a machine using Monospost Developer. You can also select the rotary axis as C. There is no preview available for that machine. You will see this warning when the machine type you selected is really rare and meaningless, and therefore is not created by Monospost Developer. Let's now create horizontal, rotary head machine. A B-axis machine is created as default. You can also select A as rotary axis, or C if you want. As you will realize, you can create any type of 4-axis, horizontal CNC kinematics. Let's now create vertical, 4-axis CNCs. I will first create a rotary table type. A-axis is the most common version of 4-axis vertical machines. You can see these types of machines everywhere. These machines are mostly 3-axis machines, with rotary table mounted on top of the machine table. You can also select B-axis. Let's select C-axis now, as tilting axis. Again, machine could not be created, since a vertical machine with C-axis rotary table is meaningless. I will now select a vertical, rotary head. This is the A-axis type. Now, I am selecting B as tilting axis. And lastly, I will select C-axis as tilting axis. This is a double column machine with a 90-degree head. There is also a special 4-axis machine here. This is 4-axis CNC boring machine. Actually, CNC boring machine is a special type of 4-axis CNC horizontal machine. The only difference is the W-axis of boring machines, which is extendable along Z-axis. By using Monospost Developer, you can easily define a post processor for boring machines and use the W-axis of the CNC effectively.